morning, YouTube. Hey, I'm interrupting our regularly scheduled production with a message, just an update. I've spent the last 3 days getting 2 more parks done, and on my way back home, well, I was passing through Hamelton, and you know what's in Hamelton? Wenzel Lonestar Meat. Came in here to load up on my favorite brat and then some. And Kent's gonna have me try a bunch of his new product, some of his creative stuff, but most definitely getting the Lonestar Brats. And hey, if you're passing through Hamelton, come into Wenzel Lonestar Meat, ask for a sticker. Make sure you ask, if you're buying something, make sure you ask for a sticker as well. And also, if you're ordering online, Wenzel Lonestar Meat does ship in the continental United States. And if you'll ask for the DudeRv special, they'll give you a little discount. It's going to vary based on the product, but also they'll include a sticker, maybe 2 if you ask them nice, because I'm giving them a whole stack of stickers. I guess it would help if you knew where to go. It's WenzelLonestarMeat.com. WenzelLonestarMeat.com, and I'm gonna provide a picture of the business card. So his contact information, you can find that down there in the description as well. Stay tuned. The next park next week, we're going to be going to we'll be seeing Martin Dice Jr. And then after that, you'll get to see the 2 that I've shot this weekend. Hey, for those of you who have subscribed, I am so deeply honored. That's why I do what I do. If this is the first time for you to visit DudeRv, hey, click on the subscribe button, the like, blast me out across your social media. I'd be so very honored if you could do that for me. And I guess the last thing I got to say is getting ready to sit down and start editing some video and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna dig into some award-winning Jagerwurst. I guess that's how you pronounce it, Jagerwurst, from Wenzel's Lonestar Meat down in Hamelton, Texas. They actually sell this online. WenzelLonestarMeat.com. Kind of hard to, it's not focusing properly. Y'all come back now, you hear?